Our Director of Public Health at the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Bedisa Kode, has also been defending Ghana's handling of the crisis so far.
And I mentioned the district that were created the main issues. Eastern region had one extra case, so they have a 95 now, as at 4th May, and that came from one of our hospitals in the Eastern region from routine surveillance. The Central region has had 2 new cases. 7 were from Fansaman district and 2 from Swedru and Cape Coast and 1 from Moree. The Western region has had 10 more cases. The last presentation was 21, there are 31, and the cases are reported from our Hunter West, cases from St. Martin de Porres Hospital, Ekwe, among others, and they are all mainly routine surveillance. Volta region did not add any more, it still remained 30 from the last update. Ashanti region added about 41 cases, new cases, some from enhanced and some from routine surveillance. Kwabri East showed the largest number, 20, with Achuma Kwame adding 5 to the rest. Upper East has 7 new cases as of the last briefing. The case from Bogatanga municipality. Northern region has not had any increases, remain 13. Northeast still 2 cases. OT has still 23 cases, no increase after the last count. Western North has had some circumscribed outbreak, and so they moved from 54 to 56, having an increase of about 52 in Western North. This comes from a circumscribed area of a group of workers where we've had this number coming from. Greater Accra, as mentioned, had an increase of 248.
So this is a conversation we had extensively here on the show yesterday, trying to understand the peak and how it works and whether it even matters in the first place. Well, let's take a look at, you've heard government's position with the data it is using to back that particular position. Let's take a look at the case count today as it stands on the Ghana Health Service platform. Biggest, we're all over 3,000 at the moment. We're working that up to bring it to you. I also love to hear from you wherever you are. There are about 4 regions that have not recorded any cases so far. So there you have it, 3,091. Those are the total confirmed cases as of now, 3,091. Like you said, like you heard government say, we've actually been peaking, they say, since the 25th of April. Let's take a look at the regional breakdown. Greater Accra continues to lead with 2,579. You saw the figures for Ashanti region as well. The Central region, we're having some updates on that. 50 cases so far. Western region has 32. The Volta region has 30, and the Upper East region also has 30. Now, OT region has 23, the Upper West 19, Northern region 13, Northeast 2, and so far, Bono has now, I beg your pardon, reported 1 case. 18 people have died, but we're also seeing a surge in the number of recoveries. 303 people have recovered so far. Share your thoughts with me. Where do you live? Where are you? What are people doing around you? Do these conversations about peaking, not peaking, even matter to you? Why do you think it matters? And what are you taking from government's description of the situation?